Clicking load game here after booting up the game removes the cursor visibility and usability, forcing me to restart the game. Talking to certain NPCs deadlocks players after conversations, as you can see at the end of this one.
Last evening,
In relation to,
the trespassing.
I don't recall seeing anyone out of the ordinary in my memory.
Someone broke in, yet you don't remember anything out of the ordinary.
I was distracted. My ID went missing.
Interesting.
When did it go missing?
When?
I put it down on my desk and it just vanished.
We're done.
Attempting to use the audio sliders in the settings causes game to stop being interactive and requires a restart. Game froze here when graphics were changed and required a restart. Losing all life and getting caught in this area resets the level, but does not reset the original player position, soft locking them in one of the office spaces. There is no objective in the top corner after completing certain tasks, which causes general confusion on where the player has to go next. In-game sensitivity settings don't actually change the sensitivity. Tabbing in and out of the game causes the HUD to disappear. Clicking credits after booting up the game removes cursor visibility upon additional click. Launching the game with low shaders makes everything extremely bright and the main menu UI cannot be seen. Changing to the windowed mode doesn't work. Controls aren't visible in Controller. Player is able to stand on a table and chair, but does not seem to be able to use this to get anywhere else. Painting on floors, clipping with floor. When spawning into the warehouse level, you're just stuck since you can't jump. Many items are not added to the Codex after being interacted with by the player. When pausing the game in actual gameplay, every back button in settings is labeled as return to menu. On most large evidence items, the player can zoom in inside the mesh. Some evidence is oriented the wrong way by default or heavily zoomed in. You can walk through this table. When the credits start rolling, they're a bit lower than they're supposed to be.